welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video we are going to learn about different type of operators in Python. So Python divides the operators in following groups. Mainly in 7 categories the operators of Python are divided. So the 7 types are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership and bitwise operators. So we will cover all these operators in one by way in different videos. So the first operators that we want to cover is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform some common mathematical operations. So these are the subtypes in arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation and floor division. So we will cover each of these. Let's check in our code how we can make use of these operators. So this is my arithmetic.py file. So let's say I have one variable called num1 which has value 5 and another variable name2 which has value 15, and I want to say another variable result which will do the operation on these two operands, name1 and name2. So the first one was, let me show you. So the first one in arithmetic operators is addition. So we will see here. So what we will do, we will add this. So num1 plus num2 and we will print result. So what this code will do, in the result num1 plus num2 will be stored. So 5 plus 15 will be stored in result and we should get the output 20. Let's check. So see, we are getting here output as 20. So this is the addition operator that we have seen. Another one is subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's say we say here subtraction and run now. So 5 minus 15 we will get minus 10. So this is the subtraction operator. Now multiplication. So 15 5s are. So we should get now 75. So see, we are getting here the output as 75. Another one was division. So division is represented in this way. This operator stands for division. Now what will it get? Let me reverse the values. 5 and 15. So 15 divided by 5. So what we are getting here? 3. 5 3s are 15. Another operators we have here is modulus, exponentiation and floor division. So let's check modulus first. So what modulus will do, it will provide you the remainder, like 15 divided by 5, what remainder we are getting. So when 15 is divided by 5 we will get 0 as remainder, right? So see, we are getting here 0. If I change the value of num1 as 16, now the remainder should get as 1. See, we are getting remainder 1. So you need to remember that this percentage stands for modulus operator. It will return you the remainder, and this slash, like, it will stand for the division operator. It will remind you return you the quotient. So let's check another operator here. So this is exponentiation. So what it will do, it is represented by double star or double multiplication. So let me change the values of num1 and num2. Let's say I have num1 as 2, num1 as 2 and num2 as 4. So what it will do, so num1 will be 2, so 2 raised to 4. So it will say multiply 2 4 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it will multiply it 4 times. So what output we will be getting in this case? 64, right? Sorry, 16 we are getting. So 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8, and then 8 into 2 is 16. So this is the use of exponentiation. Another one is floor division. So what does floor division will return? So it is represented by this double slash. So for floor division, let's say I have the first number as 11 and the second number as 3. So what it will do, so num1 has 11, so here it will be 11 floor division by 3. So it will divide 11 into 3, but what it will return, let's see. So it is returning 3, but 3 3s are 9, right? So it is not. Let me show you the division first, then you will understand. So what it will do, num1 divided by num2, so 11 divided by 3. See, we are getting here the float value 3.666, but similar in floor division, it will return the only the integer value, like only 3 will be returned. See, we are getting here 3. Another way you can check here is, let's say we have 24 here and we want to divide it by 5. So let's first divide it. So num1 divided by num2, so 24 divided by 5, so it will be something 4 point something, right? See, we are getting here 4.8. but if we use the floor division operator, so in that case it will return 4. It is only returning the integer value. So we have covered all the arithmetic operators here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and floor division. Also, what you can do, instead of hard coding this value, you can ask user to enter the values. Let me show you that. Let's say you have num1 variable and now you want the user to enter the value. So in that case you need to provide input message here, enter first number. So user will enter number, and you want to restrict the user to enter only the integer value, so you need to provide here int and entire this thing in int. I have covered this in earlier videos, so do watch the earlier videos also. And this is the num2, and let me copy this. So now here enter second number, and now after getting the two numbers we will have another variable result, and which will, let's say we want to do multiplication, num1 into num2, and we will print, let's say result is, and then we will say we want to print result. Let's save this and run now. So see, we are getting a first message, enter first number. Let's say my first number is 10. Then you need to press enter. So we are getting a second number message, enter second number. Then we will say, let's say 2. And if I hit enter now, then we are getting result is 20, because the first number which we have entered is 10 and then 2, then 10 into 2 we will get 20. So in that way you can accept the numbers from the user and perform the operator as your wish. Like I want to do now, let's say I want to perform addition, so you can use the addition operator. Let's save this and run now. So let's say enter first number 20, enter second number 20, and the output should be 40. So result is 40. So that was all about the arithmetic operators. We will see the another operators in the next video, like assignment operators. So thank you for watching.